morning everyone. Let's begin today's Maitri Milan with 3 rounds of Omkara. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganapati Moola Mantra. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Satchidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Shri Dakshinamurti Prarthana. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Swami Vivekananda Prarthana. Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukaswarupaya Swamine Tapaharine Swamine Tapaharine. Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sangachadvam Sambadadvam Sambho Manansi Janatam Deva Bhagayata Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manasaha Chittamesham Samanam Mantram Abhimantra Evaha Samanena Ho Havishajuhomi Samani Va Akutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Omanaha Yathavassu Sahasati. Panchangam. Adyatana Panchangam. सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतमा कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनं वर्ष ऋतुः श्रावणमासः शुक्लपक्षः त्रयोदशी तिथिः पूर्वाषाढ़ नक्षत्रम विष्कंभ योगः तैतुलकरणं बृहस्पति वासर. Today's date 7th August 2025 Thursday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्रादरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमं. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತಂ, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ. We are into a beautiful session on Indian knowledge system on the Sandarbha of Shravana Purnima, which is celebrated as Samskrita Day all over the world. So this happens to be the most important session throughout the series. What we are celebrating, Indian knowledge system, that is micro talk. This micro talk on various subjects and dimensions of Indian knowledge system. So we are all going to contemplate today Vedic wellness, the word Vedic wellness. How we can contemplate and how do we have this introductory part of this Vedic wellness, that we are going to see today in few minutes. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Jayati Parasharasunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayam Amrutam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya Janamo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamashraye Namami Dhanvantarim Adidevam Surasurair Vandita Padapadmam Loke Jara Rugbhaya Mrityunasham Dataramesham Vividhaushadhinam. Respected Chancellor, Sir, all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties, Vedic wellness. What is this word Vedic wellness means? Now it is a very attractive, fashionable term, Vedic wellness. What is that wellness? We are all working, all the human beings are working towards wellness in all the dimensions. Physical wellness, physiological wellness, mental wellness, our intellectual wellness, emotional wellness, and spiritual wellness. These are all various dimensions of wellness. All these dimensions, what we see, where we can get it from? The original source of this wellness is through Vedas only. Vedic wisdom is going to fulfill all this wellness. But only thing is we need to know how to tap that Vedas. From where, how much, where we can get that wellness in all these dimensions. So this Vedic wellness is going to be the most important term for the whole world which is behind this now. Because we are all working towards wellness only. How can I be happy? How can I be well from outside and as well as inside? The basic principles of which this Vedic wellness lies in only 4 principles. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Please know this. Based on Dharma, based on Artha, based on Kama and based on Moksha, only this Vedic wellness can be derived. So Vedic wellness through Dharma, Vedic wellness through Artha, Vedic wellness through Kama, and Vedic wellness through Moksha. This is how the principle of this Vedic wellness. So Indian knowledge system, IKS, is based on our Vedic wisdom only. And this wellness is not limited to only Ayurveda. Please know that. Ayurveda is a part of that wellness. And we have various dimensions, starting from our lifestyle. Starting from our lifestyle. That's why Ayurveda covers from lifestyle itself. It will not start with any medicine. It will not start with any of the Jadi Butiya. No. First you know when to get up first. So that is the wellness. Nowhere in any medical system like MBBS, Oxford Medical School, or whether it is in London, Australia or America, they won't teach you at what time you should get up. All medical schools. But if at all, if it is there, it is only in the IKS system, Indian knowledge system like Vedic wellness is going to teach you first at what time you should get up. What are the benefits of that? Is it not? So this is the way how Vedic wellness is going to tackle us. And people who are Going behind this Vedic wellness, they have many pathways here. Starting from lifestyle, that is Ahara, Nidra and Brahmacharya. This is taken in Ayurveda as Traya Upastambhas. These are the three important: Ahara, Nidra and Brahmacharya. Yes, these are the three ways to achieve this Vedic wellness. So Vedic wellness, achieving it has many other dimensions too. Not only in Ayurveda as Ahara, Nidra and Brahmacharya. Now it is expanded to yoga, pranayama, meditation, everything. This is how you are going to, how do you balance your life? How do you energize or harmonize your life with the pranic energy which is there? We are already evident now. Prana is there everywhere. Inside and as well as outside. That prana shakti is there. And we are drawing that prana shakti from outside. The God gift is oxygen. That is whatever prana shakti. And with that only we are going to breathe in and breathe out. But if we are not aware of what we are breathing in and what we are breathing out, then how does it harmonize your body? So therefore, you have to know what you are doing. Yadeva vidyaya karoti shraddhaya upanishada tadeva viryavattaram bhavati. Chandogya Upanishad says this. See, this is the most beautiful way. Whatever you do, whether you get up early in the morning, brush your teeth or wash your face, first of all you should know what you are doing. Yadeva vidyaya karoti shraddhaya. Do it with all the shraddha, with all the knowledge behind. Upanishada tadeva viryavattaram bhavati. This we need to practice first in Vedic wellness. Whatever we do, we need to know what we are doing first. Then we should have shraddha in that. And then only whatever you do, that will be very much fruitful or successful. This is the statement from Chandogya. Chandogya Upanishad, it's a beautiful Upanishad which is going to give you some common tips for a common man how to live. This is where the idea of Vedic wellness comes. So first, if you are aware of what you are doing, then you will definitely know what you are doing. But most of the time, in our present day, we are going to follow. But why we are following, that we don't know. So many cultural traditions in our Bharatiya Samskriti only I am talking. We celebrate, but we don't know why we do. This is the biggest hurdle. First, be aware of what you do. That's why this week, 10 days, what we have kept is Awareness Week of Indian Knowledge System. This awareness has to be there everywhere. Then only you can imbibe the beauty of Bharatiya Samskriti here. So therefore, this knowledge of Bharatiya Samskriti or Indian knowledge system through Vedic wellness in various dimensions. Not only Ayurveda, because Ayurveda itself says that diseases are not because of only microbes and organism. Purvajanma kritam papam vyadhirupena badate tachanti raushadaihi mantraihi japa homa surarchanaihi. That is all. Because all our diseases are not attributed only to your microorganisms. Don't blame the organism. Naturopathy principle this is. Don't blame the organism. Blame yourself first. That means if your immunity shield is not proper, then all the microbes will enter. If you maintain your body immunity shield, that is Raksha Kavacha given by God, and fortunately we are celebrating that breastfeeding week. Is it not? How do you get that Raksha Kavacha to you? Only by breast milk. If you have really taken care of your infancy very well by your mother, then you can develop a very beautiful, strong shield of that protection. So with that protection only we can avoid all the microbes. And through secondary is your lifestyle. Your lifestyle matters different. That is secondary. First one is your original body immunity. That is natural immunity, acquired immunity. Natural immunity, you are going to get it through your genes only, through your parents only. Acquired immunity is through your lifestyle. What you do, what you eat, where you go, and how much you sleep, all this. So that's why I told you, Ahara, Nidra and Brahmacharya happens to be the most important lifestyle here. And not only that lifestyle, Mani, Mantra, Aushada, Prayaschitta, Swastivachana, Upavasa, Tirtha Kshetra Gamanadi, like this. These are also the way of attaining Vedic wellness. Don't restrict your approach to only medical science. Apart from medical science also, there are allied sciences like astronomy, astrology, gemology, chromotherapy, that is what color therapy, fasting therapy. That's why we get in Agra Sangraha, Upavaso, Jvaraharanam, Agryam, we say in Ayurveda. Upavasa is the best remedy or solution for getting rid of fever. Upavaso, Jvaraharanam, Agryam, Ayurvedo, Amrutanam, Agryam, like this. So like that, we need to go into different dimension to get this Vedic wellness. I am giving you the introductory talk on Vedic wellness. This is micro talk I am talking. And the next speaker who is going to speak on Vedic wellness, he will go into the nano talk. Micro talk is this, that becomes nano talk. What will be the nano talk of this Vedic wellness? That will be followed by another speaker of our division. So that is going to make you how this Mani, Mantra, Aushada, Prayaschitta, Swastivachana. See, I will tell you one simple statement from Ayurveda, that is from Dinacharya, where it is mentioned that Pranamya Devan Vruddhamscha Mangalashta Shatam Shubham Shrunvan Kanchana Vinyastam Sarpihi Pashyed Anantaram. This is one of the shloka. I don't know, please remember all the students of Ayurveda. You might have heard or you might have forgotten now also. But this is the most important in making this Vedic wellness. Pranamya. Many of my Ayurveda students whom I have taught this shloka. Pranamya Devan Vruddhamscha. Start your day with this, like this. Pranamya Devan. Whatever the deity you follow, worship, first do pranama. Vruddhamscha. Then all the elders at home. Nowadays we don't have this attitude of doing namaskara to our elders. Pranamya Devan Vruddhamscha Mangalashta Shatam Shubham. You have to chant Mangalashtaka. Lakshmi Yasya Parigraha Kamalabuhu Sunurgarutman Rataha. जिसके शादी हो गए है ना, शादी में ये मंत्र बोलना ही है. मगर शादी तो हो चुका है, मगर भूल गए हम सब कुछ. But this is what Mangalashta Shatam Shubham. You need to listen to that Mangalashtaka. In my childhood, when I was studying, early morning, 5 o'clock, in Vidyapitha, they used to make all the children get up and sit on the mat only, chant this Lakshmi Yasya Parigraha Kamalavu. Showing your respects to the nature, worshipping the nature, which has given us this opportunity to chant and lead a life. Pranamya Devan Vruddhamscha Mangalashta Shatam Shubham Shrunvan. You have to listen or chant. Kanchana Vinyastam Sarpihi Pashyet. This is done only in Shashipurti Shanti now. But every day you are supposed to see the melted ghee in a gold vessel. Look your face in that. That is going to remove all your arishtas. What a beautiful way. Forget about gold vessel. We can't even see 1 gram gold also, microgram. So they are talking about that. See, imagine when it was told India was flourishing. India's GDP was, Adhyatmika was in the peak actually. That is why during the Krishnadevaraya's time only we can see 700 years ago, India were very much high in GDP. That is why Adhyatmikata was in peak. So this is the basis of Vedic wellness. Please understand. And this is the way how we start our introductory sessions to Vedic wellness. And then tomorrow we have a Varamahalakshmi Vrata here, and we are celebrating from the spirituality department all the Matrikaye or all the females are requested to assemble here in the temple for Varalakshmi Vrata. Okay, this is the information, and this is the micro talk what I am giving from Vedic Wellness for this IKS celebration week. Thank you very much. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Om